What's up, kids who technical? I'm back again with another video. Today, as you can see, I picked up the Evo Check case for my S22 Ultra, so I'm pretty much gonna unbox it and take a look around the device with the case on. And I'm already gonna say I do love Tech21 products, so I know I'm gonna love this case. And don't mind my voice, I'm a little hoarse, but still wanted to make the video. But anyways, it has multi-drop protection, multi-drop impact tested, antimicrobial technology, so mainly it keeps germs and stuff off of the device and keeps it clean. And it has the big deep area for your camera. Pretty much this is what it looks like. It says multi-drop phone protection. And this case you can pause the video and read the back if you want to, but this case here will run you the black version will run you $31.03. This is what it looks like. If you wanted to pick it up on Amazon, this is what it looks like. I did not buy this from Amazon. I ended up buying this from Best Buy, so it was a little bit more in Best Buy, but if you want to go to Amazon, you can. So I'll put a link to Tech21's website and Amazon's website because I think it's a lot cheaper on Amazon, but pretty much I have the black version. So now we're just going to unbox the case like so. Something simple. You know, that's good. They still have it to where you get those little different color buttons if you want to change your buttons up a little bit. Nothing else in the box. Pretty much this is what the case looks like. This looks nice. It has the checks in the inside, the check design pattern in the inside. It feels good in the hand. You have all your little cutouts and everything. So now pick up my S22 Ultra. I'm gonna place it in like so. These are go-to cases for me when I have devices, if I can get my hand on them. So pretty much this is what it looks like on your device. So on this side, you do get your, make sure it's in there, you do get your volume up and down button. Nice and clicky, no problems. You get your power button, it's nice and clicky, no problems. Then it also says Tech21 right there. Down here you get just your cutouts for your USB charging cable. You get your speaker and you get that nice cutout for your S Pen, which is good. On this side you get nothing at all, and you do get a lip. You know, you don't get, it's not too much of a lip, but it's enough, you know, to if you place your phone flat down on the table, you should be okay. But like I always say, I recommend you have a screen protector on here if you want better protection. But it does look, and it looks good and it feels good in the hand. On the back here you get that nice deep cutout for your camera, so if you place your phone flat down on the table, you have nothing to worry about at all. Overall, I do like the way this looks and feels. Like I said, I'm a fan of the Tech21 Evo Check cases. So just rate, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube tech channel, and I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out.